All right, kids, this is the problem set here that was in your packet, so last sheet of your packet. We're not going to do this, so you can just get rid of this. Your teacher and your teachers are going to pass out this. This is multiplication sheet here that we're going to work on today. Okay, see it all here? We're going to just go over these problems and solve them. Okay, so teachers, if you want to use the answer side, you can. If not, just going to focus on this, all right? There's 20 problems here. Now, you don't have to do all of them. You can modify this to help out any way you can. But what we're going to do is we're going to do the first couple here, okay? And then let you kind of go off on your own and do it and attack these problems, make mistakes, and fix them, that kind of thing, all right? So let's get started here. First of all, I want to put my name on top. Okay. Okay, and get started with number 1 right here, all right? So I'll zoom in and get started with there. Good. So I always start with this guy here, this base 1's place here, right? This is 92 times 27. So that's what I'm going to do. It's 2 times 7 is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. Then I have to come back to this 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Good. Now I'm just going to cross that guy out because I used him. Now it's on to my tens place in the bottom, so that 9. Can't forget about holding my 0 here. Hold that place fail, so that'd be 90, right? Call that guy Bob. Then I'm going to treat the rest of like 1s. 9 times 7 is 63. So I put down the 3, carry the 6. Put it off to the side there. And then 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6, 24. Add it up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. And this 24. 2,484. There it is. Okay, let's go to the next one. Remember, repetition is key here. 5, start right here in this 1's place. I'm going to do this number times both of these, and that number times both of these, and I'll have my answer. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. Good. And I crossed that 1 out just in case I have to use that space again. Now, 7 times 3 is 21. So, almost forgot about Bob, right? Put that guy down there first, right? 7 times 3 is 21. Put down the 1, carry the 2. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2, 44. Add them up. Okay. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4,725. All right. Now notice, I'm keeping all my numbers lined up in the place that they should be in. Okay? Like there's the hundreds, so I got 1s, 10s, hundreds, thousands. All right, super important that we stay nice and neat when doing our math work, okay? Now finally, I'm just going to finish up doing number 3 here, and then kind of let you go off, all right? You and your teachers can go from there. All right, 41 times 98. So I start right here on my base for 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. That makes sense. 1 times 98 would be 98, right? Now I move over to my tens place, the 4. So I can't forget about putting my 0 there. Call that guy Bob. Then 4 times 8 is 32. Put down the 2, carry the 3. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 3 is 39. Add them up. 8, 11, 10, 4. 4,018. All right. Okay. So that's that. We've got these first 3 done. I've done them as neat as possible. I'm happy with my work. I'm going to leave it up to you and your teachers to figure out how many more you want to do and what you're going to do here and how you're going to work on them, okay? Now remember, if you write too big, you're going to end up leaking down into the next problem. So you got to write small. Try to keep your numbers the same size as these numbers. and, you know, keep them all the same size. And don't slant across the page. That would be weird, okay? And at the end, I'm sure you can check it all out. All right, great. Well, we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we can have a math mystery going for you tomorrow, but we'll see. And we'll go from there. Thanks so much, kids. Proud of you. Have a good night.